Okay guys, pasok tayo dito sa loob kasi pinalinis niya sa house cleaner. Ayan, nilinisan na nila dito. Yung mabango na. Tapos tingnan natin yung bathroom dito. Ayan, malinis na. And then sa garage. And then sa basement. Malinis na din dito. Kasi bago kami aalis daw, kailangan, sabi ng may-ari dito, kailangan linisan. May nagmamanage kasi dito. So, mabango na guys, malinis. Yun nga lang, hindi nila ata dinas dito. Check natin itong ano. Ito, hindi rin nila dinas to. Pero konti langan, pero yung dito malinis na. Yung sink, let's see. Actually, itong mga side dito nilinisan ko to guys. Bago, nung naglilipat pa lang kami. And then itong fridge. Yan, okay na rin. Dito, okay. Akyat tayo sa taas. Pero dito, hindi nila nalinisan. Okay lang yan. Maliit na bagay lang yan. And then ito yung bedroom. Ito, hindi ata nila to dinas. Siguro yan hindi nila maabot. Pero dapat idalasting yan. Saka yung mga ganyan. Let's see the bathroom. We need like this sa isang bahay. Yung sa bahay na nilipatan namin, ito yung kailangan ko. Tapos yung shower. Yan yung tub. Let's see dito.
Don't flush that toilet.
Huh?
I don't know why that toilet was kept running.
It kept running.
Look inside there. Look if they changed.
Ito naman yung lagayan ng dishwasher. Washer sa dryer. So, kailangan namin i-retouch yung may black na paint. Ito yung isang bedroom. Dito hindi naman ito namin ginagamit talaga. Parang nung dito kami, parang lang siya, mga stockan lang ng mga gamit namin. Ito hindi yata yan dinas nila. Saka ito. So mga konting lang guys, bagay na hindi nila ginawa, pero the rest are good. Meron pa siyang konting damit dito na natira. Let's see So, okay lang. And then, ito yung bathroom na hindi daw nila malinisan. Yung yellowish. Yung parang stain siya. Kailangan lang naman yung soap ng bleach. Yan, ito yung mini jacuzzi. Kunin na natin ito. So, ang i-touch lang niya, yung mga ano dyan, may mga pool. Yeah? Yeah?
2 suitcases at Goodwill.
Yeah.
And I'll stay here and touch up the paint and stuff like that.
No, we'll drop that later, babe. This one, they didn't clean.
Well, I gotta do it.
We'll just wipe that.
They didn't do that?
We'll just wipe it.
Jeez.
Not much.
Oh, they didn't reach that. You don't want. Can you do that? I'll clean this. I'll stay here and clean.
We'll drop it later.
No, I have to do it right now. I gotta make room for some other stuff. I got 2
Okay,
big
guys.
suitcases in there. I got 2 big suitcases in there.
Okay, okay. Yan lang, guys. So, konti lang naman yung hindi nila na-touch. Some are, mostly they already clean.
I gotta run sleep there and clean this.
So, may ina-drop daw kaming, ano guys. Mayroon kasi kaming dalawang luggage na ina-drop off. Yung ano ba, malita. Alright. Yun lang guys. Yan yung iba niyang gamit. Thank you guys for watching.